Hello friends, welcome to Savvaji. Today we are going to learn Bendakaya Vepudu recipe. That is okra fry in Andhra style recipe. It is a simple and homely recipe of bendi and from made Andhra style, and Bendakaya Vepudu translates to okra fry, and there are different versions of making this Andhra style bendi fry. Here we sharing is the simplest version, and we have already shared few more versions of bendi, and the recipes is not spicy here, and in this dish some roasted sesame powder and roasted peanuts can be added, and even fresh grated coconut can be also added. Now we'll see how to prepare this simple recipe. Ingredients required are: we need 250 grams okra and 2 tablespoons oil and half tablespoon mustard seeds and half tablespoon urad dal and half tablespoon cumin seeds and 2 dry red chilies broken and de-seeded, and 8 to 10 curry leaves, and we also need 1 medium onion and 1 by 4 tablespoon turmeric powder and half tablespoon red chili powder, a pinch of hing and salt as required, and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Now we'll see directions to prepare. Rinse and wipe dry all the okra with a clean kitchen towel, and then slice the bendi in rounds of 0.5 to 0.75 inches and keep aside. In a shallow frying pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and lower the flame, and add half tablespoon mustard seeds and half tablespoon cumin seeds and half tablespoon urad dal. And then sat till the mustard seeds crackle and the urad dal turns golden in color. Next add 2 dry red chilies broken and de-seeded and sat for a second or two and till the red chilies change color. Then add half cup chopped onion. Stir well. Sat the onions till they turn translucent. Then add 1 to 4 turmeric powder and half tablespoon red chili powder and a pinch of hing. For a more spicy taste, you can add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Mix the spice powders with the rest of the ingredients, and after that add the chopped okra and 8 to 10 curry leaves. Mix everything well. Now add salt. Stir well again and start on a low flame without covering the pan with a lid. Keep on stirring at intervals of 3 to 4 minutes for uniform cooking. Now it's done, and switch off the flame when the bendi is done and cooked well, and this takes about 12 to 14 minutes on a low flame. Finally garnish with the coriander leaves, and then serve this Bendakaya Vepudu as a side dish with curd rice, sambar rice or a rasam rice, and you can also serve this Andhra style bendi fry with chapatis. So wonderful, easy and a quick recipe. Can prepare within minutes easily, and this Andhra recipe of bendi fry makes for a good tiffin box, brunch or lunch also. So try it, and I already told you can add some roasted sesame powder or a roasted peanuts for extra taste, and you can also add even fresh grated coconut as per your taste, and enjoy this bendi fry in your lunch. So this is for today, Andhra style bendakaya vepudu. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.